and cot 90 minus 5, that's 85, divided by 9 cos 70 cosec 75 cot 85. This cancels, this cancels, this cancels, this cancels, this. All you're left with is 1 divided by 9. So it's really just a one-line solution. And the last question is really the heart of, well, it's not really the heart, it's like, it's the more vigorous side of trigonometry. It says that, prove that, that's how the question goes, that sine squared theta plus 1 plus cosine theta squared is equal to 2, 1 plus cosine theta. Two ways you can really do this. We can do this, that if this is equal to this, therefore if you divide the left hand side by the right hand side, you must always get 1. Or if you subtract the left hand side, if you subtract the left hand side, so if you subtract the right hand side from the left hand side, that's what this minus this, it must give you 0. But we want to show actually that, well, that's like, it's kind of a way of proving that it's equal, but we want to show that this is equal to this, therefore we want to simplify this equation. So sine, we know what sine squared theta is, just sine squared theta. If we expand it, so I did a plus b to the power 2 in parentheses. So that'll be a squared plus b squared plus 2ab. So 1 plus cosine theta is equal to 1 plus cosine squared theta plus 2ab plus 2 times what's a? 1, b is cosine theta. So sine, well, right, we actually go to the end already. Jesus, already, that's quick. Sine squared 2, sine squared, yeah, that plus cosine, cosine squared theta plus 1 plus 2 cosine theta. And that's equal to this plus this, that's 1. 1 plus 1, that's 2. That's equal to 2 plus 2 cosine theta, that's equal to 2, 1 plus cosine theta. Yeah. Proving. Note, this is probably the simplest proof ever in the proof section of trigonometry. This is, I'm telling you, this is the easiest. It doesn't get easier than this. The rest you have to actually takes a while to actually know what's going on and so on and so forth. But this was really straightforward. Once I saw this was squared and then this was, there was no power for the cosine here, but wasn't parentheses, I already knew it was simple. Yeah, and once I got to this part, I already knew, well, that's the answer. I already saw 2 here, and I know if this plus this gives you 1, and 1 plus 1 equals 2. That's really correct. So I already saw the answer from the beginning, really. I just had to write it explicitly. So that's enough for this video. The next video, we're actually going to start concrete things like supplementary angles, double angle identities. Yeah, I think my friend, he's studying physics, he told me to do for, that it'll be good if I can do for more than double angle identities as well. So yeah. Most times, it's not just 3 lines. This was a 3-line solution for proof section. Most times you can really take the whole board. Well, not trying to make it scary. But you can take this whole space to prove such. I'll get more complicated ones to solve. So yeah, that's that for this video. Thanks for watching. Subscribe. I have an Instagram channel, an Instagram account. account for geek stuff. For mathematics, it's physics and mathematics, but it's mostly mathematics. So I really don't even know the name of the Instagram account. I think it's physics and mathematics. Physics math. Yeah, so I'll write it. I'll write my commentary section. So please like, subscribe, tell your friends. If it's helpful, tell me so I can do more videos. So probably because we're on mid semester break, so I probably will do my next video sometime around, it's Sunday today, so sometime around next Friday, the coming Friday. I'm trying to cover as much things as possible. And also, honestly, I feel like, where is it? Okay, first of all, 2 things I need to clarify, probably do on video 1. If I see that I am wrong, I know this is correct, but I need to explain this. I need to explain this because I do not like chunking from. That's how I was. Well, till some guy came to redeem my life of science. I just used to memorize information in math and physics. But one thing I know is that I hate chunking information. I have to give a proof. Things I can do proofs on, I will. If I can't do proof from something, then I'll give you a feeling of why that's true. This, for example, taps me because I know this is correct, but I have to actually explain why this leads to this. And I'll probably do like a 7 minutes video to explain that later. Also, here, I know this is correct because I've been doing this for a long time, so I know this is correct. But I think that's correct as well because I know we don't usually change that sign. It's not that I'm memorizing it, okay? I am not memorizing it because that's why I can do the fields that make me read stuff because I can't remember things. I know we don't usually have a negative there. And what's confusing me is that if we have a positive value here, you know, well, this is correct, really. That's what I'm trying to say. But if I see that I am wrong somewhere, I'll still leave this. I won't edit. I won't remove anything or try to cut anything out. I'll like you to see my mistakes and see my correction as well. I am learning as well, really. So yeah, if this is wrong, if anyone watches this and sees that there's something wrong, tell me about it. Even if you don't tell me, I'll go check this out later on, and then you know if there are any mistakes here, and then I have to re-clarify this. So yeah, those are 2 things I have to do. So thank you very much for watching my videos. If it helps, please tell me. I'd like to go on. I'd really like to get to more advanced, if I can, more advanced concepts such as hyperbolic functions, sorry. I'd like to get to more advanced concepts such as hyperbolic functions. And for coordinate geometry, I like to do for more than 2-dimensional space. Yeah, so thank you very much for watching. Like, share, subscribe, etc. Thank you.